Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to crack open a dry coconut. We use it in many Jamaican dishes. First, hold the coconut in your hand and crack it open with a dull knife or machete, or as I did, I used the back of a meat cleaver. Please be careful not to hurt yourself because the nut is hard. After you crack it, drain the coconut water in a container and separate the pieces. You can drink the water, it is usually sweet and refreshing. Remember to strain it to remove pieces of the nut shell. This is the dried fleshy part of the coconut that you can use to cook with or eat. As a snack for the kids, we eat the white fleshy part with sugar, or it's tasty by itself. You can use it to make coconut milk, Jamaican rundown, rice and peas, etc. Let's crack another coconut. As you can see, this one is not good. The coconut water is thickened and the fleshy part has brown and dark spots all over it. So that means this coconut is not good to eat or to cook with. See other brown and dark spots. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you never miss a delicious recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.